Hello, welcome. In my review today, the BMW X1 was first seen by many people as an entry-level model. It was often heard that it is bought just to get the logo. However, this perception is completely changing with the 2024 BMW X1 sDrive 20i. This model of BMW in the compact SUV class now stands out as a much more advanced, technological and user-friendly vehicle. This software was examined in detail from vehicle design to engine features, interior and practical use. Design: bigger, more striking, more balanced. The 2024 BMW X1 is much more impressive in terms of design than the previous generation. The major changes made in the preview in particular are immediately noticeable. The front grille, both in size and proportion, is in perfect harmony with the body. Compared to the excessively large parts combined in some of BMW's recent models, this design offers a more balanced appearance. The headlights have sharp lines and continue the overall sporty drive of the vehicle. The satin details in the lower section increase both elegance and contrast, while the functional air curtains provide aerodynamic efficiency. The system consisting of the side profile clearly shows that the vehicle's dimensions have increased. In fact, the dimensions of the new X1 are almost the same as the first-generation BMW X3. This is a big plus, especially for those looking for a wide SUV look. There are striking details in the rear design. Three-dimensional taillights and the aerodynamic aero blade rear spoiler increase the sportiness. In particular, the illumination of the headlights when the lock is open stands out as a stylish and modern touch. Engine and performance: balance of power and efficiency. This model is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. This engine, which produces 204 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque, allows the vehicle to reach a speed of only 7.6 pixels from 0 to 100 km per hour. The maximum speed is 236 km per hour. These performance values are quite satisfactory in the compact SUV class. Moreover, the vehicle's price is around $58,000, which makes it about $5 to $6,000 more affordable than the fully electric BMW X1. Interior: the peak of technology. The interior of the new BMW X1 is full of modern technologies. The first striking feature is the widescreen design. The driver's screen and the multimedia screen are combined and presented in a single unit. This highly efficient and highly sensitive screen is available wirelessly, as are features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The wireless charging unit in the center console stands out with its vertical design. The features both charge and, since it stands vertically, it makes it easier to receive news. A small strap that closes this charge prevents its parts from moving while driving. The steering wheel design preserves BMW's classic thick steering wheel. This continues the drive more firmly, and the buttons on the steering wheel make it easier to personalize the screen developments. It is also quite enjoyable to switch between the vehicle's different driving modes. Each of the sport, efficient and expressive modes changes both the vehicle's use and the interior lighting. The visual impact of ambient lighting, especially during night driving. Practicality and usage experience: the rear seats of the vehicle offer a wider area compared to the previous generation. The backrest inclination has been increased for rear passengers on long journeys, which significantly improves comfort. In addition, the middle tunnel is lower than previous models, which allows 3 people to sit more comfortably in the back. The luggage area is quite large for its class. One of the most striking solutions of the BMW X1 is that it offers a spare tire. Considering that BMW uses run-flat tires, it provides a great advantage in terms of both cost and comfort. Disadvantages: every beauty has a flaw. Although the BMW X1 is an impressive vehicle, it also has some negative aspects. Climate control: the fact that the automatic buttons have been replaced by a completely digital screen may be a difficult feature for some users to get used to. Automatic start-stop feature: this feature is activated every time the vehicle is started and it requires going through several menus to deactivate it. This reduces practicality a little. Storage cover: the storage cover in the center console is designed for use only and is not compatible with right-hand drive vehicles. Conclusion: a strong competitor in the compact SUV segment. The 2024 BMW X1 sDrive 20i has made a big leap forward compared to its predecessor in terms of design, performance, technology and practicality. With its larger dimensions, modern interior and powerful engine, this vehicle offers an ideal option for both city use and long journeys. If you are looking for a compact SUV and want a luxurious experience, the BMW X1 is definitely a model to consider. And let's end with a question: do you think the front or the rear of this vehicle is more impressive? Don't forget to share your thoughts. If you are new here, click the subscribe button. Until next time.